They have some fantastic standing inventory ready to go right now with rates under 5%. Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a minute to tell you about a lovely, really pretty townhome community in Gwinnett County. And they have some fantastic standing inventory ready to go right now with rates under 5% if you can close quickly. So if you've been waiting, if you're ready and you're ready to close, this might be the perfect thing for you. Let me let you take a look. Okay, guys, so great community right in Lawrenceville. These are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, totally open floor plan, as you can see from the walkthrough. I love that it has a little private deck and a 2-car garage plus a driveway big enough for another 4 cars. Really, really nice. Man, you could get such a great deal right now if you can close quickly, if you're ready to go, for the incentive they have right now going for 4.875%. Man, this is a great opportunity. So you might want to jump on it. Please contact me, contact Tami, contact one of our team members. You can call me directly at 678-360-6370. Or, of course, you can hit us up on social media or email us. We'd be glad to help you out. But let's move quick. These are awesome, ready to go brick townhomes. Y'all don't miss out.